We are following on the heels of probably one of the biggest cosmetic surgery booms that we'll encounter in our careers. New regulatory pressures have exerted themselves in a number of our states and may present opportunities and even potential pressures in new states where we haven't seen similar direction in legislation before. And there's also tremendous opportunity as we see a shift in the nature of our patient volumes, our patient acquisition and inquiries. Focus and opportunity is clearly on advocacy, and not just your practice's advocacy, but that of your patients on your behalf. This is a great time to get together, to compare notes, to hear from our leaders in this academy and across the industry, across the countries that contribute so much to our collective curiosity and our collective learning.